begin with a view out of East Grand Rapids. The wind blowing light out of the southeast. It's been that way over the past several days. We'll head out to Muskegon. Overall, it's going to be a nice beach day out there and a nice day. It's once we get past the sunset time frame, that's when we're going to have to at least be aware that we have a chance of some strong thunderstorms. Visibility out there, not an issue. A little bit of fog forming around Batavia area of Coldwater, Quincy, and up towards Big Rapids, Mecosta, and Remus location. Otherwise, it's not widespread. Current temperature right around 60 degrees, and the wind, again, gentle out of the south and east, around 5 to 10 miles an hour in most cases, but there's a couple areas such as Big Rapids, South Haven reporting a calm wind. Broadview shows that all that deep moisture off to our south. The wind is going to pivot more southerly today, and that's going to draw some of this moisture northward, and that's what the thunderstorms like. They like the fuel, the moisture in the atmosphere, and warm temperatures, and we'll get the combination of that today, especially later this afternoon. All is quiet out there. Really, the vast majority of the day through the daylight hours will be just fine, but we'll have to watch this system as it continues its trek to the east towards the Great Lakes. And as it gets closer to us, that's when we'll see our thunderstorms chances really ramp up. Okay, this is 11 o'clock time frame. The one thing I've noticed in the past couple model runs, they are slowing this line moving into West Michigan just by a little bit. So right now it looks like about mid-evening to about 1, 2 o'clock in the overnight period. These will be very quick moving thunderstorms, so we're not going to see flooding rains out of this. They're just going to be too progressive, moving through too fast, but that doesn't mean they won't pack a punch. They certainly will, and at least potentially we could see anything from a tornado, straight line wind gusts, and hail out of those storms. But when we wake up Friday morning, it's be full sunshine, and then we'll give way to more shower and thunderstorm chances Friday evening and Friday night. But for the batch tonight or this evening, we're still in an enhanced risk area. It's quite a large one, includes Chicago also, all the way through Wisconsin, Milwaukee, up towards the Green Bay area. For us, now this is a tornado threat. If you look at the risk, it's not very often you get a 10% chance of a tornado within a 25-mile point, and that's what that means, those percentages. And something even more unusual from the Storm Prediction Center, when you have a hashed area, winds, that means winds could exceed 70 miles an hour, and that's going to be the case. So a 30% chance of that happening within a 25-mile point, and even more rare, they have us with hail up to 2 inches potentially. And well, we don't get a big hail around here very often, so that just gives you an idea of some of the parameters we're looking at with this potential severe thunderstorms. Okay, more thunderstorms, not severe, Friday evening, Friday night. Then we cool things off, remainder of the 8-day forecast.